Students who work hard in their studies can build a bright future. Similarly, athletes, scientists, leaders achieve success.
Self-realization is about uncovering you when you have always been. It is about shifting from I can't to I can.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. How are you?
What about you?
I'm absolutely fine. So, today I would like to speak about one of the most important in life, hard work. Hard work is the key of the success in life. Without hard work, cannot achieve their goals. Every successful person in the world reached their position because of dedication, patience, and continued efforts. Hard work teaches us discipline, confidence, and determination. Sometimes we may fail. Sometimes we may fail, but failure is not the end. It is a lesson that helps us improve and try again. You know that students who work hard in their studies, I think all is no. Students who work hard in their studies can build a bright future. Similarly, athletes, scientists, and leaders achieve success. Only through constant practice and effort. Sometimes many people look for shortcut. Sometimes many people look for shortcut to success, but shortcut often leads to temporary result. True, true success always comes slowly, and step by step, just like a tree. Just like a tree takes a long time to grow, but when grow, he takes us oxygen, wood, and many more. So let's promise ourselves. We will always working hard, stay focused on our goals, and never give up. So thank you for giving me your precious time. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.
Don't worry about the game right now.
Good morning, dear students.
Good morning.
Today I want to speak about a more powerful thing which is powerful than talent, which is more transformative than opportunity, which is life-changing than luck. I want to speak about the power of self-realization. There is a moment in every great story when a hero realizes who truly I am. In the Bhagavad Gita, Arjun stands confused and fearful in the battleground. It is only when he gains self-confidence, inner strength, and that he rises. His power was not given in that time. It was within him, already within him. He simply realized that. That was the power of self-realization. Self-realization is not about destination. Self-realization is about uncovering you. Self-realization is about uncovering you when you have always been. It is about shifting from I can't to I can. Self-realization gives you direction. It turns confusion into capability, clarity. It turns fear into fuel. It turns potential into performance. Think about it. The moment when you realize I am capable for it, your behavior changes. The moment when you realize your time is limited, your priorities shifted. When you realize your value, your worth, you stop settling. Inside you, right now, a untapped strength, resilience shaped by your struggle, wisdom earned through your experience, and a voice that deserved to be here. But they don't activate until you decide to look within. Self-realization is not a destination. Self-realization is the thing when you begin to that journey, it is the moment you reclaim your power. So, know yourself, trust yourself, and become unstoppable. Thank you. Thank you so much.